There's breaking news coming in. Civil Aviation Minister has confirmed that decision has been taken to extend the temporary suspension of flights to and from the United Kingdom till the 7th of January 2021. I repeat, till the 7th of January 2021, there is a suspension of flights to and from the United Kingdom. Thereafter, strictly regulated resumption is going to take place, for which the details are going to be announced shortly. Remember, flights have been suspended due to the new UK COVID strain. Let's listen in to the Civil Aviation Minister.
Well, we are monitoring that. I mean, for instance, if I heard in South Africa there were one or two cases elsewhere, we are monitoring that very carefully. I don't expect that extension to be a long or indefinite extension. I'm not going to put a figure on it, but the words I'm choosing will give you an idea. A slight extension, small extension of the temporary suspension. Because I also see that flights from the United Kingdom to other countries are similarly suspended for the moment. But I think we are getting a handle on this once we have the genome sequencing completed and we have a fuller extent of the picture, and I think that will give us the confidence to open up flights again.
Poulomi Saha now joins us with the very latest. Poulomi, first up, get our viewers up to speed with the very latest as far as the ban on flights to and from the United Kingdom is concerned. And if you could also give us a sense what you're picking up from sources in terms of whether there would be a similar ban on flights from other countries like South Africa, where the strain has been confirmed.
Well, as far as the United Kingdom is concerned, the Aviation Minister, Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri, has just tweeted and announced that there will be a slight extension in the temporary suspension of flights to and from the United Kingdom. So that will now be extended till the 7th of January. Earlier, it was to end on the 31st of December at 23:59 hours at midnight, but now it has been extended till the 7th of January. What India has also very interestingly announced is that it will in fact resume flights. So it's not kept that in the limbo that after 7th of January will there be another extension or not. It has announced that there will be a strictly regulated resumption of flights after the 7th of January, but there will be specific SOPs which will be laid out for that. So it is going to be quite restricted in a manner that we resume flights with the UK. The SOPs for that will be released very shortly by the Aviation Ministry. As far as your question, Chetty, about flights from other countries which have discovered the UK variant of the virus is concerned, I asked this question to the Minister yesterday as well. They say that they're monitoring the situation, and on the basis of what the Health Ministry, of course, recommends and health experts suggest, will they take any such action? It is something that they're studying at the moment.
Yeah, go on.
Right.
So, Poulomi, you're saying that they are at the moment monitoring the situation, and outside of the United Kingdom, there has been no other decision taken for any other country where the strain has been confirmed. So there is no need to panic for the passengers who are slated to go to and fro from the other countries as well?
Right. There is no need for the passengers to panic, because India has not taken any such decision about suspending flights temporarily with any other such country where the UK variant of the virus has been discovered. It is only with the United Kingdom that we temporarily suspended flights and have now extended that temporary suspension until the 7th of January 2021. But again, we've also significantly announced that we will be resuming flights after the 7th of January, but it will be, in the words of the Minister, a strictly regulated resumption of flights, for which SOPs, like I said, will be announced very shortly.
All right, Poulomi Saha breaking the story first on India Today joins us with the very latest, says that there is no need for passengers to panic who are coming to and fro from the other countries, but the ban on UK flights has been extended till 7th of January. The Civil Aviation Ministry is closely monitoring this situation.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.